Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Powder Dip Remover is probably one of the most sought-after nail care products for women who love the convenience and long-lasting wear of powder dip nails, but also want a safe and effective way to remove them without damaging their natural nails. This video will help you navigate the world of powder dip removers, exploring various options, highlighting key features, and ultimately guiding you to choose the perfect product for your needs, ensuring a gentle and efficient removal process every time. Number 5. Pronto Pure Acetone. Say goodbye to stubborn nail polish. This acetone is perfect for removing gel, acrylic, or regular polish quickly and easily, leaving your nails ready for your next manicure. It effortlessly removes all types of nail polish, from gel and shellac to glitter and glue. It's versatile enough for natural, artificial, and sculptured nails. Simply moisten a cotton ball and gently massage it onto your nails. It's that easy to get salon-quality results at home. Made with 100% pure acetone, it's effective and efficient. We use only the highest quality ingredients to ensure a superior product. We're committed to providing you with the best nail care products, keeping your nails healthy and beautiful while staying on top of the latest trends. What we like? It's 100% pure acetone, so it's effective on all nail types. It works quickly, saving you time. If you need a powerful and versatile remover, this is the one for you. What people say. Gets the job done quickly, along with that it doesn't have a strong acetone smell. I soaked the nail in this remove for only a minute and the tip came right off. It doesn't have a strong odor, so I like that. Work great for nails soak off. Number 4. Teenitor Nail Gel Remover Kit. Tired of expensive salon trips for gel removal? This kit lets you achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home, saving you time and money. It includes everything you need: soak-off clips, nail files, brushes, remover pads, a cuticle pusher, and buffer blocks. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. First, gently file the surface. Next, soak cotton pads in acetone and secure them with the clips. After soaking, scrape away the softened gel. Finally, buff and polish for a smooth finish. It's that simple. Unlike harsh removal methods, this kit helps maintain the health and strength of your nails. It's the gentle and effective way to remove gel polish. This kit is designed for long-lasting use. The clips are washable and reusable, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Get salon-quality results at a fraction of the cost. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to remove gel polish easily and affordably at home. What we like? This kit has everything you need for at-home gel removal. The step-by-step process is simple to follow. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to remove gel nails at home, this is it. What people say. This kit is perfect and pink. It's useful for removing all the gel. These are great for at-home gel remover. Very easy to use. The clips stay in place. Number 3. Nail Soak Bowl Kit. This kit gives you everything you need for a professional quality manicure at home. It includes 2 soak bowls, a cuticle peeler, and a pusher cutter, all in one convenient set. Say goodbye to stubborn gel polish. The soak bowls make removing it quick and easy, while the cuticle peeler helps lift it away effortlessly. It features a double-layer design. Add hot water to the bottom for faster soaking and gentler removal of your polish. The cuticle peeler and pusher are made of durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. They're designed for easy handling, even for beginners. Whether you're a professional nail technician or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is perfect for you. It's versatile enough for various nail treatments. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for anyone who loves manicures, making it an ideal present for friends, family, or yourself. What we like? It includes a soaking bowl for efficient removal and cuticle tools for a complete manicure. It's perfect for a comfortable and efficient at-home manicure experience. If you prefer a soaking method and want extra tools, this is a great choice. What people say. I use this to dissolve my gel-X sets. Literally takes a fraction of the time as compared to cotton pads and aluminum foil. These are what my nail salon uses. I love these BC. It allows you to soak only the ends of your fingers, your nails, and it's shaped so that you can rest your hands during the process. You put very hot water in the bottom portion, then your acetone in the top. This saves on acetone, too. These are easy to set up and clean. I don't have to search for an extra bowl around the house. Number 2. Teenitor Nail Gel Polish Remover Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for perfect nails. It's designed for easy and efficient at-home manicures and pedicures. Say goodbye to stubborn gel polish. With just 4 simple steps, file, wrap, clip, and scrape, it removes gel polish quickly and gently. The double-ended cuticle pusher and clipper provide precise and clean cuticle care. No more pulling or tugging. Keep your cuticles healthy and hydrated with the included lavender cuticle oil. It absorbs easily and leaves your nails feeling soft. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for gel polish removal, cuticle care, and nail maintenance. Get salon-quality results at home. From nail files and buffers to clips and remover pads, it contains all the essential tools for a complete manicure or pedicure. Everything is included in one convenient kit. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything for gel removal and nail care. The process is easy and gentle on your nails. If you want a complete solution for gel removal and nail care, this is the best option. What people say. The cuticle oil smells nice and the files, buffers, clips, and pushers work well and are good quality. The finger clips are a good size and strength for holding the cotton pads on. I have larger hands and fingers too. The bottle this comes with is so worth the purchase. I've used these items multiple times throughout the year and they're still holding on strong. Quality's great, color is as expected, I'll for sure be purchasing again. Number 1. WilloWash Nail Remover Kit. Tired of struggling with DIY nail removal? This kit makes removing acrylics and dip powder quick and easy, right at home. It's 50% faster than traditional methods. It's the first of its kind at-home kit for safely and easily removing acrylic and dip nails. This innovative system heats acetone for faster removal. You'll receive a heated manicure bowl, a lid, cuticle oil, 2 nail files, a gel scraper, and an instruction guide. Everything you need for a professional-looking manicure at home. Simply heat the acetone for 5 to 10 minutes, then soak your nails in the solution while gently rubbing them on the included pad. It's that simple. It's designed to efficiently remove acrylic and dip powder nails. It's much easier and less messy than using foil and cotton. Created by a salon owner for a better at-home solution, it's also great for regular manicures and hot oil treatments. It's superior to other methods like steam removers. Remove your fake nails from the comfort of your home and save time and money compared to salon visits. Enjoy beautiful nails without the salon hassle. What we like. It's an electric warmer that speeds up the removal process significantly. It provides a salon-quality experience at home. If you want the fastest and most efficient way to remove acrylic or dip nails at home, this is your best bet. What people say. It's large enough to accommodate multiple nails at once. I just got this and used it for the first time and I have to say I am thoroughly impressed. I set everything up, only used a buffer to take off the top layer and the rest was done within 10 minutes. Dip powder was completely gone after 10 minutes of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.